there will now be a funeral tomorrow for 17-year-old Rehtaeh Parsons, who we profiled. Same exact story yesterday. Now, these suicides are part of a trend, disturbing trend called slut shaming. And it's all about shaming the victim, bullying them. And in these cases, it involves boys taking advantage of a drunk girl, taking pictures of it, and then putting those graphic images online, and they go viral. Clinical psychologist Barbara Greenberg joins our panel now from New York. Dr. Greenberg, you know, will arrests like these and convictions like what we saw in Steubenville, do you think they'll actually knock some sense into these boys who rape and these boys and girls who shame the victim?
I think it's going to take a lot more than just media coverage. I think media coverage will help, but I think parental education is really the key here. You see, what happens here is when you get any group of teenagers together, there's some psychological thing that happens that is called diffusion of responsibility. So if you have more than one teen, they will do things as a group that they ordinarily wouldn't do if they were alone. That, coupled with shaming a teenager with social media, as you know, sadly, is a deadly coupling.
And it's just so important. I mean, these situations drive home that we've got to build up the confidence among our young girls.
That is exactly right. You couldn't have said it any better. And our girls need to learn not only to protect themselves, but to look out for one another when they're out together.